Do you translate in your head when you speak English, even when the sentence is simple and you actually know what you want to say, but somehow your brain goes back to your native language before you open your mouth? This is one of the biggest reasons speaking feels slow, stressful, and uncomfortable, because every time you translate, your brain has to do extra work, and during that extra work, words disappear. When you translate, you are not really speaking English. You are switching languages again and again, and this switching creates confusion, pressure, and silence. To speak English smoothly, you need to stop translating and start thinking in English. But here is the important part. If you try to think in English and you can't, because words don't come to your mind and you forget simple vocabulary, that does not mean you are bad at English. It means your speaking system is not trained yet. Many learners try to force themselves to think in English, but their brain is empty, so it runs back to their native language to survive. This is normal. That's why stopping translation is connected directly to remembering words while speaking. If words don't come, your brain has nothing to work with. This video is here to help you stop translating in your head, and if you feel that forgetting words is the main reason you can't think in English, make sure you also watch our previous video about forgetting words, because these two problems are connected and fixing one helps fix the other. If you want more simple and practical English videos like this, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's next. Now let's understand what really happens in your brain. When someone speaks English to you, and you immediately look for translation, you are telling your brain that English is not a real language yet. It's just a code that needs to be converted first. So your brain never learns to react directly in English. Instead of listening for every word, you need to listen for meaning. Meaning is faster than words. You don't need full understanding to respond. You only need the general idea. When you focus on meaning, your brain stays in English longer, and the need to translate slowly disappears. Another reason translation happens is because people try to speak perfect English in their head before speaking. They want the right tense, the right word, the right structure, and this perfection creates pressure. Pressure brings translation. When you allow yourself to use simple English, even broken English, your brain feels safe enough to stay in one language. Simple sentences are powerful because they move fast, and speed is the enemy of translation. The moment you wait, your brain switches languages. The moment you start speaking, your brain follows your mouth. That's why starting fast is more important than speaking correctly. Also, grammar rules live in your native language. When you think about grammar while speaking, translation is already happening. Fluent speakers don't build sentences with rules. They use patterns and phrases they have heard many times. The more real English you hear and repeat, the less space translation has in your head. And finally, you must stop checking yourself while speaking. Every time you ask yourself, is this correct? Or, is this the right word? You break the flow and invite translation back in. Fluency comes from flow, not control. So remember this. To stop translating, you must think in English. And to think in English, words must come easily. If words don't come, go fix that first, then come back and practice staying in English. And if you want a real English-speaking comments, if this video helped you, give it a small like, write your opinion in the comments, and share it with someone who still translates in their head.